Hi everyone, my name is Ben Kane, and just for starters, my experience thus far, I've had a couple different roles. My first job in kind of the human services field was kind of more of a direct support kind of role. I worked with young adults who had autism and other learning differences. So it was kind of a wide variety of things where I wore a lot of different hats and it would be like working on independent living skills and work skills and helping with, skills to help you to be more successful in college. It was really kind of tailored to each individual's kind of specific needs and goals. Um, and kind of we just did a bunch of different things. And I was a job coach some days I was a teacher, other days I was like a study partner or something, so a wide variety of different things. And then with my second during my field placement, uh, that and later I actually took a job there for a little bit. So I was doing a lot more of helping people like applying for benefits, understanding benefits, understanding what they need to do, finding resources within the community, directing my clients to those resources. Really a wide variety of things. That was with Independent Living Center. So it was kind of just connecting people with the resources or helping them to access the resources that they need to live their lives as independently as possible. So, as I'm sure you noticed, there was not really any clinical stuff that I've done thus far. So that's something I'm pretty excited about. I do have my placement for the fall already set. It's going to be with a mental health organization center. And so I'm pretty excited about that. I really just want to learn kind of really what clinical social work is for me and how I kind of fit in it, to get a better understanding of like what role I guess I operate best in social work and what role I think I'm going to enjoy, um, to where it won't become like overwhelming and stressful. I'm sure we all know kind of what that is like. So I just really want to learn kind of what it looks like and how it's done, um, and just different things that will help me to kind of further my career in social work and kind of make the decision of what type of social worker I'm going to be. Um, yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching the video.